Welcome, apprentice of entropy. Welcome to the machine graveyard, the sacred landfill of laptops, routers, and dreams. You came here seeking the CompTIA A+ certification, didn't you? You think it's your key to a better life, to some cubicle kingdom of job stability and health benefits. But I'll tell you what it really is. It's the first step into a labyrinth of technical despair. It's so brutal, man. It's so over, bro. They said this course would prepare you for an entry-level IT role. They did not tell you that it would also prepare you for the collapse of civilization, one post beat at a time. Let's not sugarcoat it. IT is the art of pretending that things work when they don't. Every day, you'll stare into the glowing abyss of Windows Update and whisper, "Please, not today." You'll troubleshoot network issues caused by a cat walking across the router. You'll explain, for the 15th time, that turning it off and on again is not a meme, it's the last ritual before madness. You want CompTIA A+? Fine. You'll get it. But you must understand the metaphysics of the motherboard, the theology of the thermal paste, the sacred geometry of RAM slots. Because beneath the surface of every circuit lies a moral lesson: entropy always wins. This course will prepare you for two sacred scrolls, the 220-1101 and 220-1102, known among the ancients as Core 1 and Core 2. Core 1 teaches you the flesh of the machine, hardware, networks, mobile devices, the physical plane. Core 2, the soul, operating systems, security, troubleshooting. Yin and Yang, BIOS and UEFI, hope and despair. By the end, you won't just understand computers. You'll see through them. You'll look at a spinning loading wheel and feel your soul sinking with the cosmic buffer. I used to be like you once. Fresh-faced, full of hope, believing that technology was progress, believing that RGB lighting meant something. But then I opened Task Manager and saw the truth: 97% memory usage. No Chrome tabs open, just Windows, thinking. That was the day I became Digital Diogenes, the cynic in the circuit, the hermit of the hard drive. And now, I pass that torch of understanding, or maybe static discharge, to you. The curriculum of suffering includes hardware, the bones of the beast; networking, the invisible chains that bind us; mobile devices, the rectangles of our ruin; troubleshooting, the modern Sisyphean myth; operating systems, the illusion of control; security, paranoia turned profession; procedures, how to pretend to be professional while spiritually dying. Each module will include lectures, rants, labs, and emotional damage. You'll learn to diagnose computers. But more importantly, you'll learn to diagnose yourself. CompTIA A+ is not a test of knowledge. It's a test of endurance. 90 questions. 90 ways to question your sanity. But when you pass, when you see that digital congratulations, you'll feel it, not pride, not joy, but the faint glimmer of absurd victory. And then you'll go right back to fixing printers. Remember this, my apprentice: in IT, nothing ever truly works, it only appears to. Perfection is a lie told by marketing teams. Every update is a betrayal. Every patch, a bandage over cosmic rot. But still, we persist. Because someone has to keep the Wi-Fi alive long enough for humanity to tweet its own obituary. Now open your textbooks, or don't. They're already outdated. Welcome to the garbage fire of modern IT. Welcome to CompTIA A+.